Today, you will learn how to add a dotted line in Microsoft Word in the easiest way possible. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and place your cursor exactly where you want the dotted line to appear. This is very important because Word will insert the line right at that position. Now, type the asterisk sign 3 times, like this, and then press Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you press Enter, Word will automatically convert those 3 asterisks into a dotted horizontal line across the page. This is the fastest method and works instantly. You can also create different styles of lines using similar shortcuts. If you type 3 dashes, like this, and press Enter, Word will create a solid line. If you type 3 equal signs and press Enter, it will create a double line. If you type 3 underscores and press Enter, you will get a bold line. If you type 3 hashes and press Enter, Word will create a thick, decorative line. If you type 3 tildes and press Enter, you will get a wavy line. You can try all of these and choose the one that looks best for your document. If you make a line by mistake, don't worry. Simply press Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac to undo it instantly. Sometimes these automatic lines can be annoying if Word keeps creating them when you don't want them. You can turn this feature off by going to File, then Options, then Proofing, then Auto-Correct Options. In the Auto Format as you type tab, you can uncheck the option for border lines, and Word will stop creating these lines automatically. Now, let's look at another method which gives you full control over the dotted line style. Go to the Insert tab at the top and click on Shapes. From the Lines section, select the first simple line. Use your mouse to draw the line anywhere in your document. You can make it short or long depending on your need. After drawing the line, click on it once to select it. Then go to the Shape Format tab that appears at the top. In the Shape Styles section, click on the small More icon. From the presets, choose any dotted line style you like, and it will be applied to your line instantly. You can even change the color, thickness, and design of the dotted line from the same menu. You can even copy and paste the line anywhere in your document to save time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.